This is for a Santa Cruz all-wheel drive 2022 SEL, and this is to remove your to change the light bulbs or your tail light or brake light. There's two bolts, one here, a 10 millimeter, and then another down here. Remove that and pull the whole thing towards you. Sometimes it could be difficult because there's a kind of like a plastic piece here that's holding this part, that way it doesn't fall out like that. If it's a little harder, you can use a tool like this one, and be careful not to pry out, but to pry like that. That way this piece will go this direction towards you, because I'll show you why. Once you take it out like that, then you remove, there's just one harness, and I already removed this one, but yeah, you just need to remove this part from here, from there, and then let me show you the piece. That's why sometimes it could be difficult to remove this thing. Yeah, this is the reason why. See there, it's kind of like it's hooked like that. It's kind of like hooked like, oh, I'm sorry, this way. It's kind of like hooked that way, so that's why you need to like push towards you, so that way the hook is released like that. And because if you just pull it this way, you might damage this piece, this plastic piece right here. So hopefully that would help. And to replace the whole thing, it's just reverse the procedure, but and also there's the dissecant right here. There's a dissecant right here. I think it needs to be replaced because it's so it's already solid. Dissecant should be, I think, in my opinion, should be like not powdery, but there should be pellets in there. But I don't know, maybe this one, I'm not pretty sure about that, but it's like really solid, and it's expanding right there, and it's hard to take out. So I might need to cut it into pieces, or like put up a long nose pliers to crush it, and that way I could take it out. And here's the turn signal light, and it's secured, it's sealed shut with I think with a rubber ring right here, and you just have to there's an instruction like that. See, lock that way, and then you just open counterclockwise, and it should open. Clockwise is locked. And mine's burnt right there, and it I don't know if you could see it, but there's like a slight burn on the glass, and it's throwing off a check turn signal light on the dash. To remove it, to remove this thing, you have to push down and twist counterclockwise, and because there's that little right there, that's the piece that you align and when you push down, you have to push down. I think there's a spring. Hold on. Not as like just like that. It's not a spring, but it has kind of like a spring action. Let me show you how it looks like under that. Yeah, that one. That kind of like gives you like a kind of like a spring action, so you have to push down and then twist. And same thing with removing and installing. You know, push all the way down and then twist, clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on if you're removing or installing it. And it should be the same as the reverse light or the brake light. And that's pretty much it. And I hope this would help someone.